Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Gimmicks. Today we will learn if formula in Excel. The if function in Excel is one of the most commonly used formulas for performing logical comparisons between a value and an expected result. It returns a value based on whether a condition is true or false. Let us look this Excel sheet to understand this better. The if formula or function checks whether a condition is met and returns one value if true and another value if false. Let us also look at the syntax of if formula. First is logical test, second is value if true, and third is value if false. Let's take value 5 in G6 and put our if formula in I6. The formula is if G6 is less than 10. The Excel will check this condition or logical test and returns whether it is true or false. In this condition, Excel will check whether 5 is less than 10 and returns true since 5 is actually less than 10. Let's look at another example. We will put the formula if G6 is greater than 15. Here the Excel will check this condition and return whether it is true or false. In this condition, Excel will check whether 5 is greater than 15 and return false as 5 is not greater than 15. Similarly, we can do multiple checks and see whether Excel is giving true or false, like whether G6 is equal to 5, that is 5 is equal to 5, and Excel will give out true. Also change the value in G6 to 7 and see the true will become false as now. G6 is not equal to 5 as we have changed the value in G6 from 5 to 7. We can also use not equal to sign in logical tests like this. So we have used less than, greater than, and equal to sign in our logical test. We will use greater than or equal to, otherwise less than or equal to, in our next example. Now we are looking at another example to check the category of an employee basis, the tenure in days. The first 30 days are on job training, that is OJT, and then once 30 days are completed, it is non-OJT. So we can look at how a formula can help us get the category or bucket based on the number of days that we have in hand. Come on, let's put the formula using less than or equal to logical test to see the outcome. That is A10 is less than or equal to 30. Followed by OJT in double inverted comma, as defined value for output if our logical test is true. Then non-OJT in double inverted comma, if our logical test is not satisfied or turns out to be false. Always ensure that the output or criteria that we require in the form of text in formulas are always put between double inverted commas. Now since 25 is less than 30, the condition is met, and whatever that we have defined as value if true, that is OJT, will be the output for the first case. Similarly, since 50 is greater than 30, the condition is not met, and whatever that we have defined as value if false, that is non-OJT, will be the output for the second case. Stay tuned for more content. Thanks for watching Gimmicks.